That maddening itch from a mosquito bite. You've tried scratching, you've tried store-bought cream, and nothing gives you real relief. What if I told you the most powerful natural anti-itch remedy is probably growing within 20 feet of your front door, and you've been mowing over it for years? In this video, I'm not just going to tell you about plantain leaf. I'm going to show you exactly how to find it, positively identify it so you never make a mistake, and the one simple way to use it that stops itching in minutes. Look for a flat rosette right on the ground with soft oval leaves. See these strong parallel veins running the length of the leaf? That's your ID lock. Tear it and you'll often see stringy fibers. Another giveaway. You may also spot skinny seed stalks, but always confirm with those parallel veins. You're on a hike, you get a mosquito bite, and the itch is driving you crazy. You have no cream. Here's what you do right now. 1. Find. Spot a clean green plantain leaf. Parallel veins, confirmed. 2. Clean. Wipe it on your clean shirt if possible. 3. Chew and apply. Briefly chew the leaf for 2 to 3 seconds to macerate it and activate the juices, or crush it hard between your palms. 4. Stick. Place the crushed leaf right on the bite and hold. Relief starts in minutes. First, your mission, and I want you to literally do this. The next time you get a bug bite or a scrape, find your plantain leaf and try this. Then come back and tell me one thing in the comments. Did it work for you? Just a simple yes or I'm skeptical, but I'll try. Second, I'm making my next video based on your biggest struggle. What's your number one skin or health annoyance you wish had a natural solution? Poison ivy? Eczema? Sunburn? Dry, cracked hands? Drop one word in the comments. And if this opened your eyes to the free pharmacy outside your door, hit subscribe so you never miss it. I'm here every week turning overlooked plants into trusted home remedies. Thank you for watching and for trusting nature. I read every single comment. Now go find your plantain, and when you spot it, comment "found it" so I can celebrate with you.